guys, long time no video, but I got something new for you today. So I recently learned about this new technique, metallizing your props with graphite powder, and I did a couple of tests with it and I was very happy with the tests, but I wanted to take it a step further. So I used an old Reaper mask that I had laying around and I wanted to see if I can get it more like a mirror chrome finish, because mirror chrome is the holy grail of prop making and it's really not that easy to achieve. So in this tutorial I will show you what I did, and you will see the final reveal of the mask at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy this. Let's see how it went. Here we go. This is the raw cast that I prepared with just a filler primer. First I sanded it regularly, then I went over to wet sanding to get a nice smooth surface. As you can see, this is ready for paint already. So first up, one white layer of paint, just spray paint. Then I used 4 layers of high gloss clear coat. This is very important to have it high gloss, because the smoother your surface is, the better the result will be. Here are the tools. You just need a soft brush, some cotton pads, and obviously some graphite powder. You just apply the powder with whatever brush you like. I started using cotton pads, but I wasn't really happy because I couldn't get the material into the creases of the mask. So I picked up a makeup brush and that worked much easier, but any soft brush will do. So you can see I just applied the powder, rubbed it off and polished it with the cotton pads, and basically you will get a very shiny surface depending on how your prep is. So as you can see, the light reflects perfectly. You can also see the camera reflecting inside of the mask. Even though it's not a straight surface, obviously you will get a very good result if you have a good preparation. This is, in my opinion, much better than any paint coat. It's much more durable and you will have a much better time with it. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial and I hope it helps you in your future projects. Good luck!